नाविका जी कि ना कि जब सुबह हो before the counting all the political party make claims at the end of the counting and they stand corrected. Aam Aadmi Party stand corrected that they have not yes no
intelligence officer gave you that
it
report.
was a press conference. You made a claim.
Yes.
You told the people of Gujarat and the rest of India that you are winning 92 seats. अब 92 का 90 हो जाए, 85 हो जाए, that much surveys and estimations one will take in one stride. But 92 to 5 is a bit much.
No, first of all, no.
0.6.
First of all, I want to tell that I want to congratulate BJP on their massive win in Gujarat. Of course, बहुत बढ़िया काम. But the point, ना Sukesh पे आप राइड मत करिए. No, don't ride on Sukesh. Why you are riding on Sukesh?
This can't be an unruly class. These are serious political questions. These are serious political questions. So the question to you is tonight. When you said Himachal, you didn't participate much, and 1.1% that you are showing, you left the Himachal battleground. But the result in Gujarat, is it a reflection about the corruption charges, as the Prime Minister mentioned? And number two, the question that the Prime Minister raised, that in politics there are no shortcuts.
No, here I'll totally agree with you, Navika ji, that in politics there is no shortcuts. Aam Aadmi Party came just in March and they have got 6 months to campaign in Gujarat, and they have done they have got some 12% votes, so more than what last elections they have got. If they stay for 5 years, work as grassroots, make the same promises and add on and work on that, of course they will be gaining the trust, and of course there is no shortcuts. You know, 2014 में भी स्मृति ईरानी हारी थी, पर 2019 में वो जीती. वहां पे रह के आपको रह के ग्रासरूट पे काम करना पड़ेगा, और ग्रासरूट पे अगर काम करोगे तो लोगों का विश्वास जीतोगे, ये कंफर्म है.
ओके, गोवा आप कहां हैं? उत्तर प्रदेश आप कहां हैं? उत्तराखंड आप कहां हैं?
हम तो कहीं पे नहीं, हम 10 साल में आए.
You go into states, you want to just make a hype about it, and in the end you pack your bags and you come back. I'm saying, is that a long-term relationship with the people of the states where you have visited in the recent past?